That's me.
Hey guys, so in today's video I wanted to do kind of like a preparation video vlog. I don't really know what I'm gonna call this, but I basically just wanted to do a preparation for my trip that is this weekend. I'm starting the prepping today. I ripped off 3 of my nails, so my nails are ratchet. Absolutely no idea what I want to get to my nails. This is a constant struggle. Every single time that I go to the nail salon, I have something in my head, and then while I'm getting my nails done, like getting the tips put on or whatever, I change my mind like 6 times. So I don't know if I'm gonna film the process or if I'm just going to show you guys the after, but you guys will see the after in my nails in this video. And I know a lot of you guys have been wanting like a nail video. I'm also gonna get my toes done, and then later on we're going to get a spray tan. Those are the 2 things for today. I'm not sure if there's anything else on the list to do today, but I know tomorrow we are doing a bunch of things to prepare for our trip as well. And so this is going to be like kind of like a part 2, like 2-part vlog today and tomorrow. So yeah, let's just like get on to the rest of the video. So I just got back from the nail salon. I'm gonna show you guys my nails. They are extremely long, like literally longer than I've ever gotten my nails ever before. When she was cutting them short, because I was with the same lady, she kind of knows where I want my nails to be. She just kind of like estimated. My sister called me, then I got distracted and said yes, that's okay for the length. And then like when she was already doing my nails, I was like, god damn, like look at that middle finger. Like, are you kidding me? But yeah, I'm gonna show you guys my nails because they are so freaking cute. I'm so obsessed with them. I came outside so you guys can get like a better look, but there's just basically a bunch of like little butterflies, if you guys can see, and then they're just like clear. You can kind of see, you can't really tell. I'll try and get like a better picture, but I'm literally obsessed with them. I love them so freaking much. Just some little French tips, you know, classic bad bitch things, you know, I always do this, so yeah. Hi you guys, I literally can't even believe I'm showing my face right now because I look insane. But I went shopping today and I got some things, and so I just want to show you guys. I just got like accessories and stuff, but we just got back. I wanted to get some accessories because I just don't really have that many accessories and I want to start accessorizing. I got a bunch of different sunglasses for the beach. I got these pink ones, more pink ones. I honestly probably should have got like a white one or ones that like actually fucking match with things, but I got some crazy colors, whatever. These yellow ones and then these orange ones, and then I got this little like headscarf type little thing to like tie in your hair. I really like these. I like think they're super fun, so if I just want to wear like a super casual outfit, I can just put that in my hair and it looks like, you know, dressed up. And then I love these. I'm so obsessed with these. They're just like these little like platform like heel shoes. I got these from Forever 21. And this is also from Forever 21 if you guys are interested. But yeah, these are literally so freaking adorable. I'm so excited to wear these. I think these are gonna be like my new favorite shoes because wedges are just super comfortable, and they're heels, so like I feel put together and like an adult in society, so we love those. And then I went to this random little store in the mall and I got these earrings because I got some earrings from them a couple of days ago and I really liked them. Got these red ones right here and then just these black ones. My little cute little haul. Currently Thursday right now and I am packing for my trip. We're trying to plan outfits for my trip. I leave tomorrow at 6 a.m. I just got out of the shower and I like rinsed off my spray tan. Geared so hardcore in my hands like it always does. But I'm about to put on moisturizer because my skin's like really freaking dry. I've been using this moisturizer recently at night. It's like the Laneige, I think that's how you say it, Water Bank Gel Cream. I've had it for a while and I just like was kind of scared to use any new moisturizers because I tried this one moisturizer from a company and it just like made my skin like tweak, and so I've been kind of scared. But recently I've just been like wanting to try a new moisturizer and I was clearing out my skincare products and all that stuff, and saw this moisturizer and decided to give it a go, and I've been liking it recently. I have my first outfit on right now. It includes a swimsuit. I'm going on a vacation to the beach, so basically I'm gonna be having like a lot of beach, like more swimsuity outfits than I'm gonna have like normal clothes, because like I want this to be focused around like a whole beach Instagram-y type of trip. I have to keep checking to make sure that my nipple is not popping out, and it's not, so we're good. But I was trying on looks. I'll show you guys which one I have on like right now. My room is kind of messy in the background, just literally ignore that. But this is kind of like the first little like vibe that I'm going for. I had these pants for a while and I've literally been wanting to wear them for dead ass forever, and I finally have a chance to wear them. So yeah, this is like the first outfit that I have tried on for like an Instagram picture or whatever. Yeah, I just want to figure out like what I want to do like accessory wise for it. I got this cute little pink purse from Boohoo quite a while ago, and I cannot wait to style an outfit with this. I sort of want to do like an all like pink look with like some pink sunglasses or whatever. I feel like I haven't really been myself recently. I haven't been dressing up like I used to like to dress up and doing all that stuff, and so I really want this trip to just be about me like literally dressing up and taking pictures and being like happy and all that stuff. That's basically where we're at right now. Throughout this little like vlog type thing, I'm gonna be showing you guys some more outfits that I put together. So right now I'm going through my swimsuit drawer, which I literally have so many swimsuits, like there's just piles, and like they're all like 4 to a bag usually in like these bags, but right now I have this swimsuit on right now. Tell me this swimsuit is literally not everything. I'm so obsessed with it. Do you see it? Like, are you freaking joking? A sequins one. I've been wanting a sequins swimsuit for so long. It also matches my nails. They're like pink with like little butterflies on it. You can kind of tell, you kind of can't tell. So we have the first outfit that I think I'm gonna do, or like the first swimsuit. We're working on swimsuit outfits right now, then we're gonna go to like normal clothes. So I have this little like leopard bikini, these yellow sunglasses. I might use those, or we might end up using these ones. I'm kind of thinking these ones because these ones kind of just look like they match so much more. And then I have these black mesh beach pants from Boohoo that I've never worn. Literally the tag is still on and everything, but I have a second kind of ish look on right now. So I really want to do kind of like a pinkish look and like incorporate these sunglasses. I might do like a few different looks honestly with these sunglasses, but I want to do some kind of pinkish look. I have pink nails, like make it like a whole pink vibe. So you guys, like this is basically what it is. It's this cute little swimsuit right here. So I literally got this swimsuit, no joke, like 2-3 years ago from a company that they found me on like Instagram, and I've never worn it, and here it is. I have no idea literally where it's from. Maybe I can find it, but this is a cute little pink bag, and you see how like it doesn't match the sunglasses and like the pink thing matches. So I'm in like a little predicament. This could be cute as like a little like on the beach look, or it also could just be like a swimsuit look with like some white little sneakers. So I think this is like the second look that I came up with. I got this super little cute skirt from Forever 21 when I went shopping like last week, and it is just like one of those skirts that like, you know, like opens right there and you like tie it and stuff. I don't know if I'm wearing it right, but I think I am. I got this white bathing suit from a company a long time ago, like literally like a year and a half ago. I think it's from this place called Floral Kini. I'm not sure if they're still a thing. If they are, that's where it's from. And then the bottoms are super cute too. It just zips up on the bottom. And then I got these earrings a little bit ago, and I haven't like made them with an outfit yet, and I thought that this would be like the perfect little, you know, outfit to go with it. And then comparing it with these shoes that I actually got yesterday at Forever 21 as well, and I'm literally obsessed with them. Elizabeth is here now. She's behind me, but I think that this is going to be my third look. As you can see, I have like a abundance of bikini on the back of my bed right now. I'm not really sure how many bikini looks I want to do, but I guess as many as I can find, hopefully. That's like the goal right now. Like we need to get a month worth of Instagram pictures here, so continue freaking looking. So I literally feel like a spring great. Bye guys, I'm just gonna delete my YouTube channel right here. Bye. I feel like a spring breakers ass bitch right now. I literally watched this the other day, and this outfit is definitely inspired by spring breakers. So I have this little just neon swimsuit underneath, and then this little mesh thing that I've never worn before. A lot of the clothes I've never worn before. You wanna know why? Because I never go anywhere. I never have places that I can take a bunch of cute Instagram pictures at, so all my clothes are just like saved for the days that I go on vacation. But really cute. And then I'm just gonna be wearing it with like my Air Forces, and I think I'm gonna like tuck the straps in or whatever, because that just makes it like kind of look more doper. And you can see my butt. She looks good. So this is what the outfit looks like. It's again another just like pink cute little vibe. Wow, everything looks so much more prettier through these sunglasses. This is what the look looks like. I don't know if I'm gonna tie it, but it's this super cute little thing that I actually like wore on my Instagram like almost like a year and a half ago, but I'm gonna put it all over this swimsuit. And then I have these sunglasses right here that I'm like not sure on, and then I also have these ones that I haven't incorporated into an outfit yet, which I'm honestly kind of thinking more of these just because I do really like the pale moment, but I'm not sure. One of those sunglasses, I feel like I can't really determine with sunglasses until I have like my makeup on and can see like the whole ensemble, you know, because like right now I kind of look ratchet, but like my fit's nice, but like me myself looks ratchet, so we have to wait until like the whole package is complete to determine what I want to do at the very end. But yeah, this is the next outfit, I guess. So I think we have the next outfit. It looks like this, or like the next swimsuit outfit. It's this top right here. It's just this black and white like little like peppered top. Never worn this either. My whole entire wardrobe has never been worn. Do you want to know why? Because I don't have a friend. My friend is right there. But yeah, then I got this cute little wrap scarf from Forever 21, and it's just yellow and the matching. Guys, like this is literally the aftermath, not the aftermath because I'm still going, but like low-key the aftermath of like me trying to pack. Okay, you guys, so literally like 100 years later, I have picked out the swimsuit outfits that I want to do, and I'm going to show you guys right now. I have this maroon bikini, and then I have this like leopard, these pants, and then these orange sunglasses. This swimsuit's going to be with this pants, and this swimsuit's going to be with these pants, so those are together. And then right here I have just this whole little like outfit. This is all together. That's a vibe. This is a look. This is a look that's put together. This is a look that's put together. We have another one right here, one right here, one right here, and then I want to bring this swimsuit. I'm just not sure what I'm gonna do with it. Honestly, I might just get like a picture in it and not have like a outfit for it. For all the swimsuit looks that I have, I'm really proud of myself. I have 10 swimsuit looks, and so it's gonna look really good on my Instagram all of July. My Instagram's gonna be fucking popular, so you better go follow me at baddieemadi. Thank you. Okay guys, so I want this to be like the most like convenient, like stress-free trip for me, and so I'm packing very conveniently right now, and I put all the swimsuit looks into these bags. So this one's separate, but like this is a look, and then some of them have 2 looks in them, but look at how I'm packing. Like this is just gonna make my whole entire existence so much more easier when I'm getting ready in the morning and to take pictures. So I'm really proud of myself. This is what we have going on right now. I'm basically going to, I think, take just like a little quick break because I have been trying on clothes for so long now and doing this, and then I'm gonna come back and we're gonna start planning out my actual like outfits. I don't really know what I'm gonna do because I don't really have like any like beach outfits or anything like that, so all the outfits that I'm gonna be doing are kind of just gonna be like night picture outfits or just like random location outfits and not go along with like the whole beach weekend theme. But yeah, I'm gonna do that in a little bit. I'm gonna take a break right now, and then I'll see you guys in a little bit. Okay you guys, so the packing process is like completed. Like I figured out what outfits I want to bring and all that stuff. So over here I did all my swimsuit looks, which are the ones that I'm the most like set about. Like I'm really excited for my swimsuit look. Currently on my period, so I hope my period does not affect any of my outfits or I'm gonna be so bothered. But yeah, there's like 10 different swimsuit looks right here. I have kind of just like the more accessories, some like bra, little like mini covers, gel petals, regular bras, like my purse, the 2 different types of shoes that I'm gonna be bringing. I'm also gonna bring my Air Forces, but like I'm probably gonna wear those in the car maybe. So yeah, and then right here is just like pajamas, and then just like a bunch of different clothes that I'm going to bring, all the different outfits right here. And yeah, I'm not sure if I'm gonna take a picture in all of these. Here's Patchy, here's Chanel, we got Kelly K over there, she's laying in my bed. Toiletries that I wanted to bring, currently on my period, so we got 2 boxes of tampons. But yeah guys, this is like the update on like my packing situation right now. Me with all the stuff I have to pack in a small tiny little suitcase because my dad took the big suitcase to Vegas. I also changed my Invisalign today, and like it literally hurt so bad. I'm on my period and I kind of want to stab myself, but I'm so excited for California, so like let's fucking do this. Guys, all the bags are packed and we are ready to go.